Hey gang, so I can't be there today. The back issue just has not gone away and need a little bit longer to recuperate. So just wanted to give you a heads up as to what's going on. We're still having the quiz next week. In order to be able to successfully do the quiz, you need to have had done 3-30 mixed sequences, 3-27 sequence practice, 3-29 Fibonacci sequence. That's what we're on right now. On 3-30 mixed and 3-27 sequence practice, go back right now if you finish them. Highlight any questions that gave you trouble so we can talk about them on the Monday we return. If you don't highlight, I assume that you understand this completely and we don't need to go back to it. Okay, so please go back and highlight so we know what we need to do. On the 3-29 Fibonacci sequence, the paragraph at the bottom will be graded. You may have to go online and research some stuff about Fibonacci and write a paragraph. I'm not going to tell you how long it needs to be. It just needs to answer the question. Okay, have a great day.